Oh! Yo, this is awesome. Make it monkey. Let's go.
Cat?
Looks like angry cat to me.
It's beautiful. Wow.
So she looks like she's golfing. Pause that. See if she makes it. Oh, so close. So I can try it? I don't know. Okay, okay. Oh. Third time's the charm. I'm going next. Dang. Here, Mike, can you come over here? I'm gonna do it. Here, get me right here. Thanks. I don't need a line. I'm gonna use the Force like Luke from Star Wars. Damn, so close. Oh!
Thank you. Okay.
Yeah, you can scan this QR code at our live friend, then you can get one free cocktail.
Right now?
Right now.
Okay.
Oh, I'm gonna do it. Let's do it. Monkey shoulder.
Yeah.
I'm scanning it.
What, is it a Taiwanese whiskey or what?
No, Monkey Shoulder is from Scotland.
From Scotland.
Yeah.
Monkey shoulder. How long you worked for Monkey shoulder?
No, I'm just part-time.
Just part time?
Yeah, just
Okay.
part-time. I'm still student.
Still student. Okay, that's fine. Hey, man. It looks like a good job to me.
So you come to Taiwan to traveling.
Me?
Yep.
We're only here for today and then we leave tomorrow. Let's go inside and try some monkey shoulder. Let's go. We got a lot of monkey shoulder memorabilia here. We got fanny pack monkey. We got monkey bling.
Very popular here in Taiwan. Monkey shoulder.
We got this sexy bartender here, monkey shoulder.
Want me to sign on that?
Sure. Hold on one second, Mike. I got to sign. Hold on.
I'm gonna sign your name here.
Okay. James.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Cool. All right, Mike. Want me to take a picture of you sampling monkey shoulder?
Monkey shoulder.
Okay. All right. So you're gonna hold it like that.
Let me ask. Can I take a picture with you? Okay, thank you.
All right. 1, 2, 3. Monkey shoulder. There you go.
Thank you.
All right. Now it's Vacay Jay's turn to sample some monkey shoulder. Let's go. It's time to monkey around. Let's go. That's right, monkey show. All right, let's go. Here we go. Ooh! Yo, this monkey shoulder's good. I love it. I love it. I love it, but it's because you made it. That's right. That's right. Got some monkeys. It's like monkeys are on each other's shoulders. That's what the situation is here. We got some monkey memorabilia over here. Yo, they even got monkey shoulder socks. What? Make it monkey. Let's go. Hey, wait a second. Mike, what's this right here? Hey, we gotta ask our friend, where'd our friend go? I'm getting wasted. How do you play with the balls?
Do you help us to hashtag your Instagram or the Facebook?
We got a hashtag Instagram, Facebook, and then we're allowed to touch her balls. Okay. Hold on. All right, now, we already hashtagged them on Instagram. Make sure you could check out Monkey Shoulder. Freaking delicious. Okay, but hold on. It's time to play with the balls. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3. Something happened. Yes. Here we go. Ah. Got it. Okay. My friend, he's gonna open it up for me. What do we get? Yeah, ready. Whoa!
You get a keychain.
I get a keychain. Oh,
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, cool.
Yeah, for you.
Oh, thank you. Yo, check this out. This Monkey Shoulder is giving us free stuff. It's ridiculous. Bye-bye. Monkey Shoulder, Monkey Shoulder, Monkey Shoulder. Dang, that was great. Big ups to Monkey Shoulder for giving us some free alcohol. I'm wasted.
Just keep going. You want to go a little farther?
Absolutely. Look at this thing. Oh. Some sort of Colombian igloo.
Go in there and see what it is.
Okay, oh yeah, we're going in. Of course, we gotta go in.
Oh, we were just wondering what it was. Oh, okay.
What is it?
I don't know. Just some people.
Oh, I see. Oh, okay.
Ice House, take a photo.
Oh, Ice House, take a photo.
Hey, yeah.
He knows free. It's gonna be like you're back home, buddy.
And what do I do?
We're getting all bundled up. We've just been whisked away back to Alaska to visit Mike's house. Ooh, it's cold. Make it look like you're really cold, Mike.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay.
Okay.
Cool.
Thank you.
Okay.
Bye-bye. So we're in Taiwan, and suddenly you're in an igloo. It's crazy. Who would have thunk it? These little stores are really cool. There's nothing like this back in the States. What's the deal?
Yeah, this is fucking cool.
Oh, it's a Samsung. It's the Samsung Flip. Samsung flip phone.
I don't have a Samsung. Am I allowed to take a photo? I don't have
Oh.
Samsung. It's okay? Oh, great. Thank you.
How do you take a photo? Like up there or something? Oh, I see.
Here?
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, it's like you're sitting on the clouds. And 3, 2, 1. Hold on. There you go. I got it. Yep.
Okay.
I tried to like get you so look.
Should I be like in the clouds? Can I take a picture here?
Yeah, you can
Okay.
do 1, 2, and 3.
There's 3 spots, buddy. There's 3 spots. Unbelievable. All right, hang on. 1, 2, 3. Gotcha. One more time. 1, 2, 3. You got to look at these. I don't know if it's any good at all. You might not even want any more. Got a cat with sunglasses on. Do you speak English? No? Do you speak English? How do you get the sunglasses to stay on?
You can Google, just search sunglasses for cat.
As
But
beautiful.
the cat doesn't
Beautiful.
the cat doesn't try to take the sunglasses off.
He already get used to it.
That's great.
Yeah, the sunglasses can protect his eyes.
I've never
He's very pretty.
Thank you.
I've never seen a cat with sunglasses before.
You want him to put on your shoulder? He can stand on your shoulder.
Yeah. Okay. Sure. Oh. Yo, this is awesome, Mike. Wow. Is it a girl or boy cat? Boy. What's his name?
Jai Jai.
JJ.
Jai Jai.
Oh, Jang Jang?
Jai Jai.
Okay.
Can I
Thank
do
you.
one?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, thank you.
Oh my gosh. Oh, he's so soft. He's so nice. He's such a good boy. All right.
Okay.
You can get him.
He's
Go ahead. No, he's getting a picture for him.
He's so pretty.
There you go. Oh. Oh no.
You two are okay. Oh, well, the glasses. Cool. Nice.
Thank
There you
you
go.
so much.
You can take photo by yourself. You can try.
Take a selfie is what you're saying.
Yeah.
The cat's like, oh my gosh.
Okay, I got a good one.
There you go.